Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a TEMU haul. So let's go ahead and see what I got inside these bags. Okay, the first thing I want to share are the postcards. I love the postcards from TEMU. They're always great quality, and the thickness is perfect. Look at that. So this is a Valentine theme, and look at those. I think these are some of the cutest things. Now they are solid in the back, so you could always add something back there. You could use it as a card front. That. You could even use it for card base. Look how cute these are. Even junk journal charms. Look at that. How cute are those? Love it. Look sweet, sweet. Oh, love brew. This one got hearts. This one has a letter. Yeah. Oh, look at the little cutie. You got the moon and the hearts. Oh, you got the two bears saying hugs. This one is Be Mine at a cafe. And then you do have a heart. Another heart. Oh, the lovebirds. I love this. Love the lovebirds. And then a key. And then you have some more hearts. Like I said, I really do like the postcards. Next thing I ordered were these gift bags. And the back side is cherries with the pink bow. And the front end has the cherry and the big bow. Let's look at this one. These are the cutest thing ever. But look at that. And it does have a handle, and you could fit a lot of goodies in there. So I have those ones there. Thought that was so cute. Okay, next thing I hauled are these kawaii 3D figures. Now I use these for like my beadable pins. I use these for keychains. But this one is a pack of 5, and they are different. You get different ones, and they're random, I believe. But I won't open this. These do not got a hole. They don't have a hole, but you can always drill a hole with your Dremel. But look at that. How cute is that? Now this one, I believe, I want to say Nancy. And she's Nancy. But look at the cutie. Love, love, love. Now you want to see a tutorial on that, please let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to do one. But I also got those, because I need some for my stash. And those are actually, they're good size. They're not tiny. So the next thing I have is this word die. I really love word dies, because it does come with several shadow pieces. So you got 2 of them there, so you can do them different colors. And this one says, "You make my heart happy." I got that one. And for this, I bought some, this is like a, it's not tulle, but it's almost like a web mesh. I got that for crafting. I like putting this behind like embellishments. Got those. Okay, next thing I hauled were these pink, dark pink, red, and white. They're not beads, like pendants. No, like look like Christmas ornaments almost. But look at those, how gorgeous, gorgeous. So you got them in pearl, light pink, dark pink, and red. And this one, I think you get either 100, I believe 100 pieces. I hauled some of these before on Shein. So I got those. Next thing I have are some cute red, white, and pink bows. And this one you get 100 of them. There's look, you just get little cutie bows. Look at that, little cutie bows. That is really, really pretty. Love it. But like I said, you get it in white, light pink, red, and dark pink. And this one is you get 100 of them. And then I also hauled a little envelope die. I believe I already have this, so I might be I'll probably be doing a giveaway soon. Got that one. Next one here is a frame with 2 little hearts. I really like these. I like these for ATC cards. So I got that one. And then I hauled some little bird charms. Look at these. These are super cute. And this is on gold. Look at those cuties. How cute are those? I got those also. And this one here says Happy Valentine's Day. And he did a big font. And it also got shadow pieces with those also. Let me know if there's any die that you want to see cut, because I will be cutting them if you want to see them. And then I did buy the skeleton one. It's been sitting in my cart for a while, but I finally went ahead and got it because it only said it was going out of stock. And then I also bought this one, which is one strip, but you could cover your card with that. I thought this was real pretty die. And then the next thing I found were these cherry stickers. I think we're all on a cherry kick. Look at all those. How pretty are those? And you get, let me open it. You get, I believe, I want to say 500. But look at that. So it starts, so these are the ones that you get. Those. So I got my hands on those ones. And these are good for packaging, to put on packages and stuff like that. And then the next thing I hauled are these, they're little beads, but I want to use them for like sequence mix. Oh, look at that. But you can use them, they are beads. You could probably use them for like a dangle or something like that. Something, because they got a small hole, but yeah, so I got those. Okay, and then the last thing I hauled were these gift boxes. When I saw them, I had to have them because they're like the cutest thing ever. So it does come with some ribbon here, so you can put it on there. But look at this. Look at these. Look at that. So they make really cute gift boxes. Look at that. How cute are those? And this is like a plastic. It's like it's paper, but it feels like a thick plastic almost. But look how cute that is. Look at that. Really cute. So yeah, that is my little haul that I wanted to share with you. I'll have all the links below in case that you want to go ahead and get any of this stuff. But yeah, this was a nice little haul that I had. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of the stuff that I got from TEMU. Also, if you want to see some of the dies cut, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.